Okay, so there's been a lot of updates since we last checked in.
Yes, there has. This is our front closet.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as you walk in, front closet. This will be where we put an electric fireplace right here. This is the window that they're having problems ordering because of the shape. So
Right, it's a little delay.
We shall see where this ends up.
We basically gutted every single thing in the entire house.
This is the dining room.
Main floor bathroom.
Here, and toilet is here. Okay, so this is the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. The kitchen guy wants to come in because he's like nervous about the size of this because it's tiny. Everything's open cabinetry. And then we want an island. And then I really wanted some like a built-in cabinet, but very like shallow here and like across, just for my coffee machine, like kind of like an open bar area, that kind of thing.
Air fryer.
No, there will be no air fryer because we do not have the counter space for air fryer.
Okay,
No air
well,
fryer.
we're not going to talk about that in this video, so.
But no air fryer. The wood floor that I wanted is a whitewashed oak. So hopefully we're gonna head in that direction. This is substantially more opened up, which I'm very, very, very excited about. So the laundry room now it's just gonna be like washer, dryer stacked, and then a sink. So this will be a glass door. There should be a window here. It should be bring in a lot of light from the back. This area, I think it's gonna be like a family room, a more cozy situation. Kids can play, that kind of thing. Because over there it's like pretty tight, and I think it's just gonna be like a fancy kind of like entry point. And then that is the basement apartment. Let's go see the basement. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is less than ideal. Holy crap, it's like frozen sewer. This is the extension, right? So it used to stop here.
Somehow this house is supposed to be ready in under 2 months. We have a semi-detached home, and we were digging under to make the basement apartment to make sure that the other house doesn't fall into ours. They kind of had to create like a bench, so it'll take up like space from the kitchen. It's gonna be pretty minimal like storage. We're gonna have to do a lot of like custom built furniture for the bedroom, but that's fine because it's gonna be an Airbnb, and
it's gonna be beautiful.
they need minimal things.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go upstairs. That's the wood. It's a little bit warmer than I had originally wanted, but it's still pretty. It's pretty.
Which room is this?
This is Mia's bedroom, and Mia has her own balcony. She's gonna have a walk-up balcony.
With a barbecue and a deck so she can grill for all her baby friends.
All her baby friends come over, and they're gonna have a little deck party, and we're gonna have someone come in and make custom closets. This is Mia's bathroom. She has her own bathroom.
Little ensuite.
Little cutie. And then this is the master. Hopefully some of this can be removed, but some of it's structural, so we shall see. They're gonna have to create some custom closets. We'll probably build this hopefully somewhat into a closet or something.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom. We're gonna have the tub here. It's gonna be a standalone tub. And then the shower is here. And then a double sink right here.
It's starting to feel like a house.
Yes. So this is gonna be office / gym.
Wait. This is where I come in.
Yeah.
Office / gym / creative suite / podcast studio and editing suite.
/ kids play area. That's the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, there's snow in our bathroom. Skylight.
Yeah, skylight. This is the furnace room.
Oh, furnace room. Right. Okay. This is another little attic space in here. This is really cool,
This is a
actually.
bedroom.
Oh, this is a bedroom? I forgot we're gonna have another bedroom up here. I thought that one was gonna be taken up by a baby.
This is like a cute little
Nook.
But yeah, this is it.
Sweet. So I guess we'll check in when there's more progress.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah.
We're supposed to move in 2 months. Hello. So we just got back from Egypt last night. I'm exhausted. We're on the way to the house right now. Apparently there's been a few updates, and then we're going to choose like placement of hot lights and like plugs and all that jazz. So I'll show you the updates once we get there. Yeah, we're so excited. It feels like it's possibly in the near future. I feel like it's felt like it was never going to happen for months now. It's just been dragging. I shall show you when we get there. It just doesn't feel like we're going to move in a month. Hello, welcome back. So we're back at the house now and a lot has changed. So come right in. We were gonna do hardwood floors all throughout the house because it's like narrow. I didn't want to break it up. On second thought, and after talking to many people, we're gonna go the tile route. So that's gonna be right here, right at the entrance. And then here's the built-in custom closet that we are getting done that I am so excited about. A lot has changed from the original plan. I feel like the plans have changed like 6 times based on what we were allowed to do, what we thought we were allowed to do, and just what things that were structural permits, all that fun jazz. We'll just start right at the beginning. I think I already mentioned this is gonna be an electric fireplace. Originally I wanted this to be the living space because I had dreams of the back being like this breakfast nook because I'm obsessed with nooks. The space is too tight, so the living room is going to be in the back, and this is going to be like a welcoming entrance. I'm still probably going to try to fit a nook somehow because I just think there's
Maybe
like
a bench at the window?
Yeah. So there's a specific bench that I am obsessed with that I want to see if I can like fit right through here, but it is curved, so we'll see how that works. But I just think it would be really pretty, really like beautiful way to set the tone for the house. I wanted to do custom built-in shelving here, but I'm going to wait and basically see how things run in the kitchen and like whatever space we need and what I would like to adjust after that. Bathroom.
Not much has changed.
Not much has changed with that. There used to be a laundry room here. Well, there was a pantry at one point and a laundry room at one point. We took both of them out to like maximize the seating in this area. Like a pretty like large extended like modular couch here. And I'm hoping for the frame TV over here if I could convince Paul.
If you can have a frame TV, I can have an air fryer.
No air fryer. There's no counter space. Anyways, we'll stick with the frame TV here. Let's look at the basement. This room is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. But like for real, like how are we gonna fit a bed in here?
We'll fit it, it's okay. Once all the furniture's in, it actually is not as small as you think. It'll be fine.
This is bedroom number 1 for the Airbnb. This is the bathroom. It's like huge. Like relatively, it's like the same size as the bedroom, I feel. This is the laundry room area for them. And then I think we discussed this, but so against this wall is where the kitchen is. So basically you're gonna open the bottom cupboards and there's gonna be like this huge thing. So necessary evil. But I think we're gonna be okay. It's like the kitchen here is actually like pretty big. We had to move things around. So the fridge is actually gonna be on the other side because the fridge would not fit here. And we had to get a mini dishwasher from Fisher & Paykel. I think it was like the only one that was like half size. So it'll be like that kind of thing. But you know, we want to make sure Airbnb people do not have to constantly wash their dishes. The ovens are a wall oven, because obviously again, we can't have a full stove, which I think most people prefer anyway, so you don't have to bend down and hurt your back. And we have a built-in eating bench over here. And then over here is their like lounge area. So you're gonna have a couch on this side and a TV on this side. It's gonna be nice and cozy. And then this is the next bedroom, which I guess is the master. It's like substantially larger. So over here we have the same issue, but we have built-in cabinetry that's gonna go all the way up. So The bed's gonna start here and it's gonna actually be really pretty and very functional. Since this will be like the main storage space for the basement. Mia's room. Nothing much has changed. Nope. She has a nice balcony. We're having built-in closets. Gonna make this room extra cute. Nothing's really changed over here. So this was structural, so we couldn't remove it. So basically we're having a built-in closet all the way down this wall. And then we're gonna have it kind of continue underneath the window. It's gonna have like a bench seating over here. So it'll look pretty and cohesive and make use of the space and stuff. I think it'll look really good. We're going to the attic. So we're in the attic. They started laying down the wood. Super excited, the color looks great. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out a way to kind of like block the furnace area so we can make the laundry room look pretty. The floors are just like almost down here, it's just exciting. Maybe we could do a Mia room and gym room. Because I feel like she'd love those.
It's good for her to watch us working out, right?
Yeah, yes. This bathroom is, I feel like the largest bathroom in the house. In a week, we'll have like so many more changes because the tiles should be in, shower should start being in, the floor should be done. And then I feel like in 2 weeks or like 3 weeks, the kitchen should be we should be moving fast now. Like, we should start feeling like a home. Next time, we'll show you the tiles installed. I want to get footage of the actual kitchen and the bathrooms being installed. So I'm pretty pumped about that. I'm actually going to be here for the tile install too. Who am I kidding? I need to make sure they do it in the right bathrooms. See you later.